Hey guys, hello, I am Neha and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to prepare street style cheesy garlic bread, and it's very simple. There is no requirement of microwave and all. So I hope you like the recipe. Let's get started to the video. So for the first step, let's peel off this garlic and then crush it completely. You can also finely chop the garlic or maybe grate it. So now after the garlics are peeled off, let's start crushing them. And crush them in a way that they form a smooth paste here. Now the garlic is completely done and it's time to take a spoon of butter and mix all the ingredients properly. I'm also taking this garlic into the same butter. Add some mixed herbs into it. And now I'm going to add some chili flakes. Depends on how much spicy you want this mixture to be. Let's add some parsley. Some coriander leaf. Let me remind that you can also use the fresh coriander leaves. Since I don't have that at the moment, so I've used this one. And now it's time to add some thyme. Okay, let's start mixing all this completely. So guys, this is ready. Let's go for our next step. So I have taken 2 slices of bread, and on one slice of the bread I'm going to put the grated mozzarella that I have. So I have put the mozzarella on one slice of bread. Now it's time to apply the butter mixture that I have just created on the other slice of the bread. Let's apply it properly. Okay, so now I'm done here. I'm going to put this on the other slice that has the cheese. Okay, let's turn it slowly. Okay, and after this I'm going to put this cheese bread on the pan here, and let's cover this with the lid here so that the cheese can get melted. Also, after you have covered the lid, and also when you have covered the pan with the lid, let's turn it to a little bit low flame. So guys, for the time when you have put this bread, don't forget to apply butter on the other side. And after this, it's time to turn the bread. Again, let's cover it for a bit. So now we are ready with our cheesy bread garlic, and it's time to divide it into some pieces. So So guys, I am going to enjoy this with a glass of Coke. Guys, I hope you like the recipe and try this out at your home, and let me know what you think in the comment box below. Also hit the like button, don't forget to share, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it. Okay then, bye.